So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to blur an image here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do obviously is open up Design Wizard and add a photo into your design. So in order to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the Elements tab right here, press on it, then go to Photos, and then go press on More. So what you can also do is browse the photos they have already, or what you can do is search something up. So if you wanted to do perhaps a image of, let's just say, Canada, just for demonstration purposes. We'll see what comes up here, and there's a bunch of different options. So if you wanted to do perhaps this person with Canada painted on their face, a Canadian flag, as well as a Canadian maple leaf, I will go ahead and import this. Now, in order to add this or add some blur to this, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top left to where it says Effects, then scroll down to where it says blur. And as of right now, blur is on 0. But if you were to grab this little dot right here and move it to the right, you actually make the photo a lot more blurry, as you can tell. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add blur to an image here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.